Hello. Today we're going to be introducing our pet bird to you. It's actually inside right now, but just wanted to do a quick intro. John Tucker and I, when he got here a little bit after he arrived finally, we noticed a bird lying on the sidewalk. We also noticed a dead bird that had been run over earlier today by Kevin Teasley, and we decided we couldn't just let it sit here and die or get run over, so we took it inside. I also climbed up to the nest, which is right there, and after finding no signs of life, I further determined that the mother and father had abandoned the babies. So we have one there. One of them splattered onto Austin's car in the form of an egg, so that's 3 total. And after researching it online, I found that northern mockingbirds have 2 to 3 eggs in each nest, so there's our number. So we decided to save the one. We haven't named it yet, but we're going to go look inside now.
The bird is extremely hungry, and we're still trying to figure out what to feed it. Very hungry.
We'll now attempt to feed a whole worm to our pet bird.
We really need to name this thing.
Let's hope he likes it. Come on. Here we go. Do it. Eat it. He just swallowed it whole. Nice.
I think it's...
I don't know if you can see this, but it's still squirming. Come on. Oh, get it. It's underneath of you, little birdie. Crap. Can I get that action again?
The human
Wait, turn around.
history of the Mediterranean world begins only about 40,000 years ago.
Only.
When the completed evolution of Homo sapiens, the modern human species, began.
It's gonna be a long night.
Is the bird gonna live?
I hope it lives, but honestly that was my thing too. Like, without a natural mother and without you having had any training with how to like take care of these birds that don't have parents, I think it'll be harder than you think. I don't think you can just feed it and expect it to live.
It needs nurture.
Yeah, it needs more like
Nurturing,
around the
perhaps.
clock and everything. And you're gonna be like,
I think we need to get a picture of this computer-generated model of a Neanderthal.
Just look at me. Chisel. Okay, now. Have a good night. Adios.
Ben, are you changing its bed?
Yes. I'm changing the bed right now.
Are you gonna wash your hands?
Nope. I'm gonna attempt to feed it some more. Get a nice close-up of that. Yummy.
As he gently strokes its beak to try and get some food down its mouth.
Come on. Come on. I don't think it's hungry right. Here we go.
Are you coming?
This is a very sad day for all of us, Marcus included.
I am sad. I think it'd be nice if we try to bury him.
I don't really
raining.
feel like digging a hole, so we're just gonna throw it. Just gonna pitch it.
Could be the snake out here.
Yeah, really. Yeah, the snake will get it.
I think our house looks cool from the
Alright,
back.
here we
My
go.
window's like in the center.
Marcus.
I can't see anything. You better stay in the light.
I'm
There.
gonna kind of slingshot it with the toilet paper.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Throw the toilet paper with it.
I'm just gonna leave it down there.
Any parting words?
We had a good time for the 3 days you starved to death. but it's time.
Do you think that it hurt more being starved to death than being run over?
Yes.
Okay.
Was it more humane? Yes.
No, it would be less humane. Tyson, do you want to mention anything since you just found out about this?
No, I was kind of surprised by the comment of a pet. I wasn't sure how the homeowners felt about it. But I guess that's a moot point right now.
Yeah, I guess they don't have to know.
Unfortunately, I'm just sad I never got to know.